Shamika! Shamika!
I'm right here, Master. Your wish is my command.
You're doing a real good job in helping to destroy the black man, but I have more I want you to do.
Black man ain't shit, and I let every one of them know I can't stand their asses.
That a girl. Yes, but you must never let them know who you really are and that you're really working for me, the devil.
I do everything I can to disrespect every last one of them I come across. I call them crazy, ugly, stupid, dumb. I don't laugh at their jokes, and I dare them to hit me because they know their ass is going to jail.
I love it, Shamika. I love
And
it.
the best part about it, all my other sisters are doing the same. 100%. We're giving them black motherfuckers hell.
I love it.